Welcome back to Vegan Hacks. I wish I knew sooner. Did you know you can make vegan meatballs with tofu? Into a bowl, you're going to crumble your tofu. Add in some miso paste. You get it. Tomato paste, some grated ginger, some breadcrumbs, sesame oil, or really any sort of oil. Either using your hand or you can use a cookie scoop. You're going to roll these into a 1.5 inch ball. Now we're going to bake our vegan meatballs 20 minutes. Our tofu balls are done. Now we're just going to coat them and let's try it. You know where I'm going first. So packed with flavor. The ginger and the miso. That's really yummy. Recipes on the blog. Love you. Bye. Welcome back to Vegan Hacks. I wish I knew sooner. Did you know if you bread your tofu and bake it till crispy, dip it in a spicy gochujang sauce, add it to a bun with some kimchi or vegan slaw, and you've got yourself a vegan Korean fried chicken burger. Spicy, smoky, and tangy. It's delicious. Recipes on the blog. Love you. Bye. Welcome back to Vegan Hacks. I wish I knew sooner. Oh, did one just fall? Did you know you could make vegan feta out of tofu? Start by cubing your tofu. Then you're going to add a marinade of olive oil, miso paste, water, nutritional yeast, and some spices. Store in an airtight container for at least 30 minutes or overnight if you can. When it's done marinating, take your vegan feta and add it to your favorite salad. Wow! And just like that, you've got a tofu. That's my baby with the light. A vegan tofu feta pasta salad. It's so delicious. Recipes on the blog. Love you. Bye. Mwah.